good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to a car meet, or this morning I'm going to a car meet, and it is currently 8 o'clock. I do not wake up this early, so I'm kind of like still tired. Anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to a car meet. I'm currently right here in front of David. You know what I'm saying? David with a loud car. But yeah, man, going to this car meet. We're gonna see what's up. They said it's supposed to be good. I actually went to one of these car meets before, and they got a bunch of supercars and stuff, so I know it's gonna be good. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get there. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, YouTube, we just made it to the car meet. What you call it? They got a bunch of cars out here, I ain't gonna lie, gang. This is crazy. Yeah, we just pulled up. It's like 40 minutes from my house type shit. I don't fucking know. But what they got? Oh, they got scats. Oh, that's a scat over there. But yeah, man, it's like 40 minutes from my house, so it's just like, it was crazy. But yeah, man. Damn. They got bikes out this bitch. Damn. That's tough. What the fuck? Man, look at all these cars, bro. That shit is crazy.
Back in somewhere, that way the front of the cars are showing and not the ass end. You just want to like turn around right here. And
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, man?
What's up, buddy?
Doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. All right, YouTube, we just pulled up to the car meet, and y'all can see, we kind of like outside the cut, but there's literally a bunch of people here. I ain't gonna lie, gang. That's crazy. But
Yeah.
actually just pulled up cut, man.
Boy, Ethan would have a fit.
Wait, what is it?
He had to work.
No, he likes some GTRs.
This bitch is crazy, bro.
Look down the side.
That bitch is crazy. Just go ahead and just do it. Just kidding. Yeah, just go ahead. Look at that shit. Recaro seats. That bitch is crazy. What you think about this one? You don't like it? Oh, this one. Talk the GTR. This bitch is crazy.
Cool. I want to hear it.
Damn, hide that. That's crazy. What the hell? Should've. That bitch is crazy. It just gets. This is the only beginning, man. It's gonna get even better. Look at that SS right there. It's pretty clean, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, it is flooded here. Look at the Supra. I know, that shit's crazy. Real missed out on this content. Bro, look at the seats in this bitch. That bitch is crazy. I didn't even see this Lambo right here. That Dodge Viper, bro, that bitch is so clean, bro. I didn't even see this Lambo right here. I feel like it's just, I don't know, this is too low.
I feel like he's sitting on.
You know what I'm saying? This bitch is crazy.
Well, you're already down there.
Just go ahead and just get in your car and just leave again. Damn, look at the brakes on there. This is crazy. These bitches tough. That shit crazy.
Starting to.
Boy.
Oh yeah.
That'd be crazy. M5. I like BMWs, I ain't gonna lie. What was that? What was that?
Which one?
I want to see a Hellcat, bro. I want to see a fucking Hellcat. I told her, I said, fuck all these cars, man. I want a Hellcat. A Hellcat. I don't like it at all. That bitch is ugly. We about to go to the gas station because I have to use the bathroom. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the gas station. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people here and it's gonna be a little hassle to get out of here, especially when everybody's leaving and shit. Boy, this shit crazy. Look at this, bro. This bitch is deep as hell. We haven't even went over here. Damn. It's a Supra. Crazy. But yeah, man, I have not seen a Hellcat yet. But like I said, I'll take a Hellcat out of all these cars. And y'all probably like gonna cook me in the comments like, yo, what you talking about, DB? Yeah, man, I'm taking all these fucking, you know what I'm saying? Is that a Ferrari? There's a Ferrari over there. I don't even know where we're going anymore. Not gonna lie. I know one when I see one. Look at that. That's a Hellcat right there. I don't really fuck with Chargers. No offense to the Charger community. I like the damn Challenges, bro. Challenges, I feel like, are the best, in my opinion. I don't know what's in y'all opinion, but Challenges, wide bodies are the best in my opinion. What's up, bro? Doing all right?
Yeah.
Good, good.
What's up, buddy? I just know
I seen your car. Where's it at? Over there?
over there on the other side of that yellow car over there. Dude, I was washing my wheels and it
Z01?
like raining on me.
Nah, I don't know if that's a Z01. Probably SS. Damn, this bitch is hard. This bitch is tough. I don't know about that fan. Let's see the inside of this one. This shit, bro. This shit hard. It's a Camaro.
That shit is hideous.
Hey, it's a project car, bro. It's got a wide body kit on it. YouTube. Finally seen a scat for the first damn time here.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's got a shaker.
The thing is, you
I want an M4 so bad.
There's an M3 in Toyota.
M4. What is that over there? Is that a Scat Pack wide body? Show is, man. Show is.
You're so good at
These
this.
motherfuckers don't have manners, boy. That shit crazy. Here it is. Hey, David. Preston.
Alright.
There he is. There he is, man. That bitch is not a regular bitch. That bitch is tough. Bro. There's so much cars in the world. Imagine how much cars there are in the world. No. Hell. Yeah. I don't know why you took them off. Damn. What? No. Hell no. Might as well just keep them off. Just for some stripes? That's crazy. That bitch is crazy.
Like he has to line it up and everything, like measure it, make sure it's straight.
Yeah. Yeah.
What the fuck?
You get what you pay. Is that Rodrigo's car over there? Yeah, man, there's just too much going on. And I don't know if that's Rodrigo's car or not. I don't know. I think it is. Might. Yeah, it is. Yep, Rodrigo's car.
Fast Mustangs right here.
Yeah,
It's
I
a
know.
shop that builds them.
Yeah, that bitch is crazy.
Yep. It's a California special.
Both of them.
Hey, what's up, brother? It's about 500 years, bro.
This one is nasty.
Oh, my bad. It's a Z06.
It's a Z06?
Yeah, it's still pretty
Damn.
Some pictures of the GTS.
Damn, that bitch is crazy.
Some guy that's, I think this is the guy that waved at us earlier when we talked about his car.
For real?
Chops. Dude, it's two-step. It's like...
Damn. This bitch is nasty, bro.
Are you into that kind of shit?
Yep, little supercharged wine, little thing. Wait, I didn't even do it right. Damn. Supra.
That shit's hard.
That bitch fire.
Nah, I ain't talking about Supra, I'm talking about the cat.
Oh, yeah, that bitch is hard too. That bitch is crazy. Damn. Hellcat next year or this year. Yeah. You don't believe me? All right, bet. Say less. Damn, this bitch is crazy. Yeah. Now this motherfucker. Yeah. What you think about this? This bitch is clean. This bitch is clean. Yeah. Corsa Performance. 797. I don't know. Yeah, I know. Let me trade. Damn, look at the diffuser. Nah, that bitch is hard though. I like how he did that too, cause it kind of gives like a little space type shit. Space vibe. I thought the kid was driving for a second. I forgot he was on this side.
You a little too short to be driving.
Damn.
I like the purple with the blue.
That's what I'm saying. It gives like a little space vibe. That's why the Buzz Lightyear and that Woody shit is in the back. I like that. I remember I used to watch Regular Show. Hold up, somebody calling me. Bro, this bitch is so fire.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
That bitch is so crazy, bro.
Even the back
This
of the
bitch
seat.
is fire. Damn. We got the damn wheel six on the back.
Definitely one of a kind.
It's gonna make me get one, bro. I am not playing, bro. That bitch, yeah, bro. That bitch is clean. That's the best car out here. This bitch is crazy as fuck.
Put it in the back too.
Hey, stop touching shit. Yeah, that bitch is crazy.
So where we going?
Yeah, bro, it's making me want to get one. Yep, I'm traded that bitch.
I like the blues also. Damn, boy, Connor got even notable.
You don't like that? You telling me you don't like that?
Yes, I do.
You would be glazing the all black fucking Durango.
Relax. That's what I'm saying. This one looks like too.
I'd rather have
Bro, this bitch is crazy as fuck.
Maybe if I see
Relax, Ashley. Relax. Yeah, I can lie. That bitch is crazy too. I ain't gonna lie.
it sounds louder.
It sounded kind of loud, for real. I don't hear the whine. I ain't gonna lie. They're probably all stock, for real.
Y'all want to get in the car and go up there and watch them leave and everything?
Yeah. YouTube, I think we about to just go over here, about to sit by the road, and y'all gonna just enjoy the show. I think we're about to not head out, but we about to go by the road and see everybody take off. We got the Scatty Pat right here, man. Yeah, that bitch hard. What the fuck? Did it make that car go off? What the fuck?
That's that vet I was telling you about.
That is crazy.
That sounds like his shit.
Your car popped right in front of that cop.
That shit scared me.
Alright, YouTube, we about to go I'm gonna get out of here right quick because we gotta go over here and see those cars pull off. So I'm gonna pick up the camera in a minute. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Is that a ZL1? That bitch scratched. ZL1. Just go ahead and just put that one in the back. You ain't gonna do nothing? What? Y'all just enjoy the show. Damn.
I like that bitch right there.
Yeah, that bitch nasty. Yeah. Supra. What the fuck? Oh! Nigga, what the hell? What the fuck? That's the one David ran from. Go ahead and put that one in the bag. Rodrigo. Hard. I gotta do some more shit in my car, bro. Hell yeah, get on that bitch. Sound like that supercharging. What the fuck? Really, man? That's all you got? M2? Yeah, M2. Yeah, M2. TRX? Hell no. That bitch is quick. What? I want to see those Lambos take off. Well, I will. Look at that. Okay, this shit giving me so much motivation, bro. Damn. Woo, that bitch. Hell yeah, hop on that bitch. Nigga just smoked his eye. It's just loud, bro. What the hell? What? Smell them tires, boy. That bitch is loud as fuck, bro. What the hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Shut that motherfucker down. Nigga lie. Man, 412, man. 412, man. Oh yeah, hit that Lambo, bro. Come on, that's what I want. We're done. He's cooked. He's cooked. He's cooked. That's that. Come on. Let's go ahead and just put that one in the bag too. Hell yeah. That bitch is nigga's not answering the phone.
Oh, yeah, fuck.
You almost went.
That McLaren is crazy. Yup. Got his ass. Look at his ass. Hey, fuck you, nigga. Ugly.
I was waiting on. I thought you were gonna take that.
That shit crazy. Oh, look at AJ right there. AJ. He's right there. Just passed. I can't hear you. Hey. What was that over there? I seen it. That was a big boat. Oh, he's waiting down there.
Oh, I came in from the other side.
This shit's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna cap, man. What y'all think about it? Bitch crazy. Where the cop at? He down there in the cut. Come on, buddy. Now, that bitch is ugly, but all the Porsches leave that. That bitch clean.
They're all old.
Yeah. Look at JP right there. Hell yeah, that shit hard. What? Never expected that bitch to sound like that.
Got him.
He was on the highway with us. Pontiac. What?
He said he wanted to re-race me.
Yeah.
He said the same guy jumped and he's mad that he lost, so he wants to do it again.
Shit, running. That bitch is crazy. Yeah, just go ahead and put your phone away for that one. Yeah. Camaro. It's an SS. Damn, armpits are sweating and shit. Damn. What the fuck? Hell yeah. Super. I need some water or something. There goes a cop right there. There we go, there we go. So fucking loud. Alright, YouTube, the sun came out, and you know, as black people, we don't like the sun because your boy gets sunburned out here. I don't start peeling, but I just start getting more blacker. It's fucking hot out here though. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this car meet or car show, whatever it is. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it so far. Huh?
What shot is blacker?
I was out black. Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I don't know if there's gonna be any more cars. A little bit, but I don't know. Go ahead, David, pop your shit, man. That shit was tough as fuck. Damn.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, bro? You doing good? Yeah, yeah. Shit.
I thought you might try to pull it down earlier when the cop pulled out.
That sounds good, don't it?
What the fuck?
I like that.
Hell no. Yeah, they trying to shut this bitch down. Damn.
He might be some crazy.
You brought your drone out?
Yes, right here.
Yeah. You got some good shots?
Yeah.
area and shit.
Yeah, just a little bit of it earlier.
Yeah.
Earlier I flew around. I tried to look around for cops earlier, but I ain't gonna do all that.
That's only like second
save all
time
my battery.
Third time.
Because it take a little bit of charge.
Isn't there another car meet tonight?
Maybe. I said, you been gotta know. You been on everything.
Well, I thought there was another one.
It was one last night, but I don't know about today. I don't know. It might be. I'm not sure. If so, I'm gonna let you know for sure.
Alright.
I just be chilling. I'll be worried about it.
Yeah.
I ain't doing nothing else on my off days, so I got.
Facts.
And then David.
Yeah, David.
You gotta make your scat do that, bro.
I know. Shit, fuck that, bro. Get a hellcat.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put that in the bag. That's good.
Exactly. Here you go right here.
Yeah. Man, fuck you, nigga.
Go burn out.
Fuck GSP, nigga.
We did a burnout.
Boo! Nigga.
What? But now the cops showed up. Now everybody doing that parade.
Yo.
Got a big ass servo on it. That one earlier was great.
Yeah. Okay. Them cops ain't catching them bikes. Nope. Alright, bro. Easy. Damn. Pretty crazy. Damn. Man, he's an old dude. Man, he ain't gonna do shit. That bitch is tough as fuck, though. I know it. Might. Alright, YouTube, they got some damn cars, or the cops kind of shut it down already. But we about to go back to the cribbo. I don't know what we about to go do. We about to go eat. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, y'all stay tuned.
Damn. Look, we keep the dogs on their toes. We keep the thoughts on their knees. Gave him a pass. I him in the room like please. Keep me a new FNN. Timothy pistols. Pew, 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 pew.